Quick review. Hello, in this video I will teach you the Excel basic. When you open it for the first time it will look like a blank workbook, look like that. You can see there is various things available on the screen. Let me explain what are those things. At the top, if you can see, it is the quick tools in the new version of Excel, what I am using right now. These tabs are known as menu bar. In the menu bar all the options available, which we will study one by one or use in the later advanced step-by-step videos. Inside these tabs there is different option available, as you can see there in the screen. When you come down a little there is a name box, which shows the location of the cell where your cursor is exist actually. The next cell is called a formula bar, where you enter the formula and the cell will answer. Other things which is seeing on the screen A, B, C, D and so on, these are called the column heading. If you click on it the entire column gets selected. On the other side you can see the row which is counted by 1, 2, 3 and so on. And if we click on the number heading on the row the entire row will be selected. When you come down extreme at the bottom there is sheet available like sheet 1, sheet 2 and more. As per demand or per use we can add one by one directly from the plus sign right with the sheet. You can see the name of all your sheet existing from here. From you can easily zoom in and zoom out, increase, decrease your sheet size. All these are the basic. See you with a new tutorial in the next video. Thanks for watching.